asikwazi ukuba nesilo esisibekelwa uhulumeni nesilo esigcotshwa engathi ikhansela nokuxambukela kwahulumeni endlinkulu namaqembu ezepolitiki nokuba splitted and divided kobuholi bendabuko as a result of sorrow, as a result of hunger, as a result of political dynamics. Never. Indlunkulu kaZulu isenkingeni njengamanje ngenxa kaCyril Ramaphosa ngenxa kaSihle Zikalala ngoba bahlulwa ipolitiki bese bona begijima bezama ukuzoyizincengela ke ngokuthi hayi amaZulu siyawazi abantu baZulu siyabazi make nje wakhombisa ukuthanda ubukhosi babo wakhombisa ukuthi wena uyayithanda lento yaseNdlunkulu isixhaphazela lesibondela ishebe eNdlunkulu niyakhatha Ndunankulu ubanjwe yini umbiko kaMacengwane ngoba umthetho usobala nje Khoyisani bani sazi ukuthi nini ithini bani ukuthi makune conflict eNdlunkulu i-conflict is everywhere naku politics there is conflict emndenini yethu there is conflict in each and every kingdom there is conflict. There is nothing new kodwa umthetho busahamba kahle ukuthi cha umongameli akaqoka i-commission bese iyaphenya ukuthi hamba kanjani okwesibili bese kuyima ihlangana leyo commission leyo bese kuyima ke iveza ama recommendation ayo announce in public kunokuthi announce ama recommendation sibone ukuphushwa icala uJudge Madondo wabhibhidla amaRespect ekhulumela ukuthanda kwakhe 2 sazobona umongameli with no reference to a commission eyaqokwa uye elandela umthetho sisekelo wathi usebekisile ngoba yini na inhloso abo ukuxova uZulu nokudestroya uZulu.